Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
That is our job. We don't run government, we don't run policies, but we have the intellectual capacity to frame a conversation. You understand? Let me now conclude by making you sad. The Nigerian Civil War was planned on the campus of the University of Ibadan. Somebody has to write a book on that, in which the Vice Chancellor, a prominent historian, you already know who I'm talking about, was also using his house to frame the project of the Civil War. You understand? And I'm not criticizing him, because when you cut segments of a conversation, it becomes a problem to those who are interpreting it. I'm not criticizing him. The Nigerian Civil War was led by an educated person who trained in England, one of the very first to have a degree to join the Nigerian army. The debates about Ironsi was framed for him by those who went to school on a unitary government. You understand? It is not that these intellectuals have not been talking, but they are also embedded in this very project you want to solve. So in the final analysis, you see how interest governs politics. And as interest drives politics, the very fact that you have a PhD doesn't mean you will think the way you are talking about. And let us talk about.
All right, welcome back to my channel. I greet you. I greet you. I greet you. Many of you may not join this video, this live stream, no, this weekend. Some of you are busy, but it doesn't really matter, because we have to do what you can do to pass the message across. I believe you have seen the title of this video, Panic and Tears Everywhere in Igbo Land. So, my brothers and sisters, a lot is going on, and I want you to make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel. One thing I want is each time we come live and you are opportune to watch us live, or we are opportune to have you watching us live, I want you to drop a comment so that we can know that you are watching. The comment is very, very important. The comment is something that we don't take for granted. So please comment. Let me know that you are watching. But I can guarantee you that anybody watching us now, this is just 4 minutes. I believe that people that are watching now are not actually following us. This could be people who don't like what we do. Because if you follow us here, you know that our culture is that you must drop a comment. The reason why you have not dropped a comment is because you are against what we do here. But this video may favor you, whether you are from far back or not, or maybe you are somehow related to politicians and all that. It's okay. I am not your enemy, okay? And you are not actually my enemy. Just that we have different opinion and we see things differently. But this particular video is not about Biafran freedom or anything at all. It's about creating awareness for our people to know the danger ahead. Some of you must have come across video, or you may have come across the video of a man called what is the name of this guy? Okulora. Okulora is somebody, is an Igbo man that are doing very, very well, helping people, especially the needy. We have one comment so far. Breakthrough said, Masaka Indewo, you are doing a great job. I appreciate you for saying that. In fact, you know what? Give me a moment. Let me share this video. I have to share it because what we're about to do now, like I said, we help people to understand or to know the danger ahead. So please help me share it. Help me share it. So I am actually trying to share the video, to share the live stream. Chika Chidi Philip, I see you. You are one of the regular people. You have, in fact, you are the first regular person that I recognize it and have made a comment. We have spent 7 minutes, so let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. Chika Chidi Philip, I see you. Yeah. Okay, we are not done yet. So allow me, just give me some time. I'll just share the first one. Let's go to the second one. Let's go to the second phase of the sharing. Yeah, please like the video. Okay, 5 people have liked the video, and 2 people have made have made the comments. I'm trying to share it on my platform as well. So just a moment. Okay. You see how few, okay. After, if you can succeed doing this one, and then I will stop. Create a post. Okay, let me do it this way. Good. So we are done. Tony Martins, I see you, Tony. I see you. So without any delay, without any further delay, I welcome you once again. Please subscribe to the channel in case if you are new, and make sure you turn the bell notification so that each time we come live or post anything here, you will be among those that will get it first. It's not going to take anything away from you. I was telling us about a man called Okulora. Okulora is doing his best, creating awareness of this, some of these incurable diseases, very, very difficult, oya meju, oya akro, oya mewo, oya diche niche na ya nebai. And this oya, you know why I'm speaking it in Igbo language, please, because of the way everybody use. Oyenus, I see you. This oya is getting too much in Igbo land. Like, it's too much, way too much, my people, way too much. And the insult that comes with it is, is out of, is mind blowing. It's actually mind blowing. And that is why I have been planning to run a program on this for a very long time. But unfortunately, I did not succeed. Why? Because we are busy talking about other things. Not that it's not important, it's actually very, very important. Okay, very, very important to talk about this. So I find it worthy to talk about it this morning, this afternoon, evening, as case may be, depending on your time or your location. You know, what is the best way to start this? I think I need to share the video that that triggered me to even talk about it is what I'm looking for. There's a video of one Yoruba girl, what she said. Okay, what that Yoruba lady said is the reason why I decided to pay more attention to this video. I normally see sometimes Okulora video talking about it. I will just, go my way. But on the second thought, we are talking about human lives. And that is something people need to understand, because this kind of oya, if you are not careful, it can cost people's life. It is very, very difficult to manage. And what is the cost? Because growing up, we do hear this kind of oya, nangie, huge number of people, like in one village, suffering this oya. Come on, all the two shocking, very, very shocking. So please, let's go through it one by one and see what it's actually all about. Like I said, a video of one Yoruba lady, a Yoruba woman, I don't know what she said about it. Just pay attention to this. Okay? Hear this.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Okulora. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Okulora. I'm on Park Lane, and we have up to 150 people here. Most of them are in final stages of kidney failure. This girl, I think she's 7. Look at where she passes urine through. And this guy should be 7 years old as well. Kidney failure. And everybody here, please. We have prominent people in Igbo land. We have Governor Peter Nibisimba, Governor Hope Ozodimma, Governor Francis Ogbonnia-Nwifuru. Please tag them. Governor Alex Chiomoti, and of course, Governor of Anambra, Professor Chukwumacha Soludo. I'm with Zenko. I'm with Vintage Interior. I'm with a man like Chico. I'm with someone like Cubana Prime Minister, Cubana Chief Priest. I'm with Kwazira, our own brother, Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy, please. You've done noble. You are one of the biggest philanthropists anywhere in the world. Don Jazzy, please. Look at these ones and other 140 something of them. Don Jazzy, these people, half of them will die next month if nothing is done. Please, I beg you in the name of God. The account number is a Wema Bank account. I will place it on this video. Please, in the name of God. Please, God bless you. Signing out from Park Lane Hospital, Enugu.
Hi, I pity those children. Hi. If you know the pain where those children they pass through, Tell me wetin won't fail their kidney for 6 years. From small, they give them paracetamol syrup na fake. Vitamin C syrup when they give them na fake. Baby food when they take feed them. They grow up again. They drink mineral. They lick sweet. All of them are fake. And when they try to talk, una go say, when you go give us mouth to talk? 150 people for that vicinity. 150. Let me tell you, those people now, since when you do that video, some talk by you. I thought you so some already buy. Because their situation at this now, final stage. Even they won't rush them, they do kidney transplant, say they no go see survivor. Unless God in heaven. Everything for this land are fake. Croaker fish when they buy. Tapioca fish when they buy. That day I watched the video. What the woman use color the rubber. Tomatoes when we take the chop. Tomato mama put. They go buy rotted tomatoes, come pour color inside. Come pour color inside. Since yesterday night, now day for hospital. Just for me to see doctor the next day. Everything are fake. Hospital don't full. Doctor don't tire. Everything. Fake. Even the medicine, when you try to just protect the one when they do you, will give you another one. I just tired just because of money. Can you people just save our life for a minute? Save our life for a seconds. Look at people. So people don't even get money to do dialysis at all. But they don't fool. Church don't block. Lungs don't spoil. Heart don't.
All right, that is a Yoruba woman. She, you know Yoruba people. What she's saying is she's making sense. Okay, don't get me wrong. But she's trying to, trivialize everything. What she's saying here is that Igbo people are selling things fake. Everything fake. Can people save our life? She's not making it Igbo thing. Like they normally say that even paracetamol, fancy and all that, everything is actually being Igbos are creating the fake version of it. And some of them literally mocking Igbo people now because they say that everything about you guys are fake. Now you are buying yourself. When we talk about freedom and why we are, what is going on, some of you think it is just some said you are just creating fear in the minds of people and all that. It is not. It's just that you don't understand. Because if you truly understand, you will know that there's so many reasons why you must rise up and condemn evil. Yes, Igbo people have a lot to do with this, but it's not only Igbo people. Some people are taking advantage of this kind of fake information that Igbo people are known for creating fake. From there, they go behind, begin to do worse things than that. Guess where they're shipping it? In Igbo land. I watched a video of Maxwell Okpara, one of the Master Marcano's lawyer. I don't know if he still serves as Master Marcano's lawyer or not, complaining about how Igbo youth will be arrested and send them to Kuje. From Kuje, before you know it, without any trial, without anything, they send them to Niger State. From Niger State, they will not send them to another location in the north. So there's an agenda against Igbo people. There's an agenda against Black people. This is not to create fear in you, but I want you to, on your own time, carry out research. Every aspect of life, they are doing something to fight Igbo people. There's something going on against Igbo people, even though some Igbos have volunteered themselves against Igbo people. Now, in the comment, there's a comment in this video that I download the video, but there's one comment there that I would like you to read with me. Let's pay attention to that comment. That may help you to understand what I'm talking about. That may help you. This comment before you now was made by somebody in the video that in these videos, in the video, let me remove the comment on the screen so it's not distract you from reading what I will have here. Okay, we have Paulinus, Anyawo Paulinus. I see you. I see your comment. So here, as you have it here, this guy called Anonymous Region said, a trailer load of beans contaminated with chemicals has been sent to the eastern side of the former country, a place with the name Oba. Oba, not sure of the spelling, he said, but that place is pronounced Oba. This beans has been designed to trigger even more oya okay, kidney, ida noya. What you see now at that region is a child's play. Compare with what is coming. Kidneys will fail, people will buy. You saw it here first. You know what to do with this information. Do it, he said. A lot of stories like this have been circulating on social media year after year after year. And some of us are seeing it as just a method that it doesn't really count. It's just one of those stories. But to me, it's not. To me, it's not. One of the reasons why we don't talk about this kind of thing often on social media, like me, for example, is because our people are not encouraging it. Any video you made exposing this kind of thing, which is true, by the way, very, very much true, our people will just skip, forget. Do you understand? For example, you see the live stream that I just started now. People troop in and they have disappeared. You know why? Because I'm talking about this kind of thing. But before you say, yeah, it's true, I'm not interested, watch this video.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Biko. His name is Ukwueze Chino, so from Nsukka. I'm in Nsukka this morning. This man was diagnosed of kidney failure last year. He couldn't go to the hospital because of money. This man here is dying. Now, mommy, look at the mother here. They live in an uncompleted building in Nsukka and couldn't go to the hospital. If you enter Chinoso's room, it's not conducive. You can't even breathe. There is no ventilation. Please, I want them to move him to hospital in the next 30 minutes. This man is falling up and down because the stomach is bigger than the entire body. There is no balance. 1,000 naira, 2,000, most importantly, are we a God or this can come mad? Please, 1,000 naira, 2,000, God bless you. Oh, thank you. See.
All right. Sorry about that because the video is somehow horrible. But let's continue. Just a moment. I don't know why the video is not playing out. Just a moment. Let's wait for it to go. I will drag it back once it. I don't know what is wrong with my system. Ordinary to bring the video up is loading and loading and loading like crazy.
Oh, young
So let's start from beginning again from here. Like I said, our people are not encouraging this kind of live stream, even if you upload it, the same problem. I don't. And the buy, forget to watch.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ebobin is a video. Eba in na Park Lane, Esute Teaching Hospital, Enugu, Nigeria. Yeni na Feba nwere one thing in common, kidney problem. Ima over the years, I make prayer man and the water. I'm sure I carry 500 eba with kidney problem. Obu ni ida itu oya, I will take camera 360. He will aka the Georgia. Nka na final stage. Let me put account number again support. Onye obuna na ebe a ga-eji ego na. Ka ibidia from there because on a man check a mere of fundraising. Take a couple months to mere onye ọzọ. Before you know it, mother 10 more. So I from onye obuna na ebe a nwete sufficient money for dialysis. Then hana emezi dialysis and emezi every 3 weeks a mere of onye nke transplant. Aki ga-enyere m na dey but she a video. Every Igbo platform, whether abroad, whether marketplace, whether church, whether alumni, share a video. Copy the link to your friends on Twitter, on Instagram, on Messenger. That year we kidney failure. Pico, on kidney failure. On young watage, you want kidney failure. Only a big cable. Issues. Now wow, that the kidney failure. I can see from your neck. Because over 1,000 naira ka inwe, bo 1 million, bo 10 million na. Enwere ihe nye Chineke dị too much. And the Chineke say if onye akpere na akpọnko gị nye million kwa ya, that is the only way inye ekwenche test God. Onwere onye fu Chineke nye million, yi nye mmadụ ka inye Chukwu. O ke ji si na mmadụ bụ chi ibe ya, na ọnụ mmadụ bụ ọnụ mmụọ. Biko nna n'enu nwa kidney problem, ahụ one ka ọ dị. You came from Akure. Hi. How old? 14 years and kidney failure.
Sorry about that. I moved my mic. Did you hear that the person, this girl, this small child, they came from Akure. Akure is I think is in Ondo State. Ondo State, Yoruba land. But Yoruba people are laughing at Igbo people, mocking them that they are the one dying of this kind of disease and of this kind of oil. Yeah, sorry about that. It's the question. I am back. Sorry about that. So it is not clear that it's not only Igbo. It is not only Igbo. But we have this kind of stories more in Igbo land. Why? What is the cause? Why? Why are people dying? Why are people dying like this? this is a systematic way of eliminating people. And like I said, some people say that Igbo people are the ones selling fake items and all that and all that. There's a video of a northerner selling hot drink that is capable of melting, take away, you know, that plastic that they normally use to package food, take away. Have you seen that video? If you pour it in that plastic, it will melt that plastic instantly. A northerner was selling this hot drink in the southeast. There's a video of one man, you know, an Igbo guy that approached a Boki who is selling fruit, pineapple and all that, pawpaw and rest of them. The guy bought in one of the fruit and said it, and told Aboki to eat. Aboki refused. He told Aboki, if you eat it, I will buy everything that you are selling. Aboki refused. He said, okay, I will even buy it and give you 500,000. Aboki refused. Aboki said, is either you buy it or forget it. What do you think is the reason? They are selling to you something that is somehow contaminated. Everything I'm telling you is something that is on social media. You can go and check. You can go and check. They are mixing something that they know that you normally patronize, selling it to you for you to enjoy. And my advice to everybody is this, including myself: learn how to live a very healthy life. Try your best. Drink enough water, clean water. Do exercise. Avoid eating anyhow. All this mama food and everything you see, you eat. And beans, like what I present to you, that have been mixed with some chemical and all that. Find a way to wash it and boil it and wash it multiple times before you eat. I'm not a medical doctor. This is just the basic thing that I can tell you. But find a way to help yourself because a lot is going on. Let's go back to the video. Pay attention here.
For 5 years, it's been like this. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
From Akure.
Is that much? Every week. One session, 72. How do you get the money? Ha! You don't sell them for your son.
Sorry, now, mommy, I
They
see
don't know
you. Our sister Deo.
Because donate, your account number was 0411 994 053. Ekwena ke enwe ihe ga-eme n'ụwa ka ifu video. Happy donate, must share this video. Hi, ana m afọ ihe mana nke akali. N'elu ndị na-achị Nigeria na-akwado re-election, n'elu ndị ga-atụrụ unu vote. Ke ndị na-azọ gọvanọ na Senate na House of Assembly. Nekwe ndị ga-atụrụ unu vote ka onye ọbụla bụ neckline. Enwecha ndị bụ pipe na their private parts. Unu na-ebi billboard. Unu je village unu kpọkọ ndị nne nwaanyị ma ihe ukwu akwa na-agbara unu egwu. N'ihe ebe a. Look at the real voters ebe a ka a nọ na-ebe akwa. Emecha mkpọ isi ana na-ayọ ndị na-achị ana Igbo. Enwere onye chọọ inyere ndị aka. N'enu nwa anụnwa, n'enu ihe o ji anyị mamịrị obere nwa onye nke erubeghị 10 years. N'enu ya. Biko, ọ bụ na ị nwere 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, 10 million.
This is shocking.
Nwere onwe m na-eti 10 million n'ego m ga-eke ha ebe a.
Shocking.
Sorry, 1 million. Enwere m 10 million, m na-etinye 1 million. Ọ bụ na ndị niile Chukwu gozi ga-eti 1 million, nsogbu ndị a ga-ana. Enwegwago, mmetụ ọnụ wee aka, ya na ya m ga-ana. Ọnụ wee aka. Onwegwago say, iye na-ekweghị mmadụ omume na Chukwu ya eme ya.
No problem, Dorin. No problem, my sister. God bless you.
Ebe mmadụ harịpụ, Chineke ama harịpụ. Also now his intentions for us but of good, not of evil.
Aye.
And I can assure you, one of the biggest man on Owa, one of the biggest man na Nigeria ga-abịa ebe ifu unu. Achọghị m ikwu until o mee. A sị na ihe eji ma nwoke bụ nwoke mere ihe okwu n'ọnụ. It's easy to tell a woman. It's easy to tell a woman, I will marry you. Mana ọ bụ na nnuzi onye ahụ ọkụ ya. onwe egwu nkwa group ku those days eme nkwa ekwere unu fu nwoke ahụ unu ga-ama yes na Jehova bụ eze. Onwe egwu nchọ ka go just 1 minute ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile Jehova bụ eze Jehova bụ eze Jehova bụ eze. Nenobi nwa achọrọ m igwe unu, you know, sometimes ka ị ga-ejide m ya. Okay. Sometimes no why, you know. You see, damn it. People na takata for throw caution to the wind. Nobody should talk, please. After my people now for that way, and when we are not going to buy a man, amen. Obi human can dana brana. You ain't gonna buy a BMA. Yeah, let's see this man. He's from here in a dialysis. Okay, now listen, that didn't work any problem. When you make it, sir. When you lost your sight. The truth about that, I spoke with your senator. Senator Sitangu. Let represent in the Enugu West. I'll see now they made something. But while I'm a just Senator Sitangu, they made something. That guy wherever I know mother or phone my mother about transplant. But MS on money go out. And we get before next month to money 51. So eventually never. And when I'm still know when you come Madonna. My prayer for all that say I will take 10 people to Abuja. Man, in terms of dialysis, I saw this girl will remember dialysis for long. And when they never, when that I don't remember never. I don't remember. The only one they see women screech flew to the hand of dialysis. And dialysis, I can't name me, the man name me, I can't name me. Only open up one or teaching an Igbo. My governor, my senator, my House of Assembly, only open our local government chairman. In a chanda, in a chanda, Anya. Obi a very top of the home, China cabinet with Buogono. Amen. My governor, Mumani Assemble Kula, about 13th of August 2026. In a child figure, sitting here carrying my bellows. I don't get. In our hotel. I need to work in the lodge in a hotel. In our build the future of your state. You can imagine a state nearly now. All empty state. Igbo governor, Igbo senator, above from slippers in a queer. You know, and then I every day. Chile can be the one up to his mama. Re-election, I hear that. I've been thinking the duty of government is to protect lives and properties of here. All lives in the year. And then protect here. Because you have another video. Oh, I can number the video. Wema Bank. Uzo Chuku Timothy Mori. You have been Biko. Don't go to camera. I for Mado never. You have on the down. You have 24 hours notice. Look at Obionia. No Obionia. Dialysis. No be a dialysis. In a video dialysis. We're bound for the service and dialysis. Oh no, but I'm okay. Go see a bit of medal. It's a medal. Now forget to go. You walk on up and up and up. Why? When you are forgetting, it's too much for you. You're going to have to cover pay and you know. It's a we want any problem. Maybe it's email dialysis. If you do dialysis, never that is him. Only a cable, sir. Only Diabo. Because share this video or animal you know. And when you make it, but I share this video. It's going to cost you only 2 seconds to share this video. Oh, because share video can people funyaka. Mommy, kidney will kidney problem. Kidney problem. If you don't go dialysis, spine injury, can you wait? Kidney problem. Kidney problem. Kidney problem. You don't want to get your car like this. You don't know what you Don't talk on the matter. He's not here. Only around the rock, one and way. No one here now, rather the other way. You want to be church. People are looking at you. You know, you're begging. Then where? Only a begging. A big. I'm a child. That's the only begging. Udi. Do it too much. ROG must do something. No, you're begging. And then Osoka. Mommy, will give me problem. Then number. Hi. This guy. Who will give me problem? AGK, Megoman, Kiani, yes. Give me problem. Stage 2 can begin. Kidney. Oh, kidney problem. Hey, kidney problem. Liver. If your dad is so bad, I'm not going to check you. Kidney problem. That's going to be an internet. What do you think of? About. You come to board. Say, man, the money better than you know. All these things. Monday morning, and my Sunday morning. You talk about the million, you can't get it. You go open to the one. All these things now, all I traumatize me. You don't know what I go through. I love them all for 2 days. The man, I'm not only be on a Monday. But I took on a mother than what I am. Do you hear? It's on my head. No, don't put it. When was last month? I don't wait till you project. Kidney, but I want to package me. Let me take care of this. Wait. Don't worry. Why you? Let's say we you tell them. I'm coming.
I've undergone this kidney transplant. So don't feel like your hope is over. God is on our side. Hey, they go to dialysis. Back those days, they went on our shift, the UNTH. You can go and ask Professor Mr. If never Dr. Neri to my drug and about Professor Kaf, nephrology clinic, UNTH. So in now, you will be able to move. In Yoku, how any possible help I can render for you, I can do it. Because immediately I'm about this thing in my office. People say, I'm about
The main question is, why is it that na Igbo Kifa can why? That is my own concern here, because this is not just one, not two. Can you see the number of people here? In a full number of people now. Now, entire Nigeria, this is just a Enugu state, you. If you maybe people that are from outside here, the highest 10 or 15. The one that said that they said that he came from Akure, maybe an Igbo person also living in Akure, you never can tell. Government are not doing anything. Nigerian government for where it's not possible. So where will your hope come from? It's only you and you alone. Only you and you alone. This is not just ordinary at all. It's not an ordinary something. Jesus Christ.
You live or die. So because like I said before, when I didn't expect, I'm not going to see you here. I'm going to and the Chineke emezu okwu ya. Ọ sị ka okwu ọnụ ya bụ Chineke ka usu niile nke da ama mere mmezu. Eluigwe na ụwa gabiga okwu ya. And anyị mana eluigwe na ụwa ama gabiga. What wants to come to us, okwu Chineke mere mmezu. A sị na okwu dị ya enweghị mmanya. Okwu ya. So because Obuni he donate here to the glory of God. The account number there, Wema Bank. And that Fadiabo Uzo is okay, just give them and go. After the account of Warrior Timothy Uzo 0411 994 053 0411 994 053 0411 994 053. Because Babunino, any Igbo platform in on here, and when only secondary, then look at this boy. In we go to yours or email share video. Tag your state governor. And when you go to need, tag the banner of Don Jazzy, my e-money, my Cubana Prime Minister, Cubana Chief Priest, Obi Cubana, Zenko, instigate on a PH, man like Chico, Onyekaga, Bob, there are too many. If you never go here, somebody like a Jai's apartment, and we Prince of Umbrubu. And we go Jerry Patrick or no Kaibe. And we Castle Majestic Hotel on Nukumbon Kobo. Onyekaga Agora Pibia. People who are going to Nuku, Habaro, Obama, Oliver the Cook. Then look at your people. My party on they get about Chukwe your job. Then kidney problem. Line again, maybe go. Line no 1 year, maybe got infected. Any they change the line, all the get infected. Any all the go the tea. New kidney problem. Hey, for how long now? 5 years. Hey.
Jesus Christ.
Hey. Na biko achọrọ m ka ihe ọha biko ha nyelu gị aka. So ha nyelu gị aka. Biko. Ọkalinte. Biko. Biko. Nsogbu dị too much. Ọ bụgodị na ofu onye na-ebe a kete 100 or 200,000 na UK. Is well, nne ya ọha biko o ha nyelu gị aka. Ịta gị afụ. N'elu ọnụ nwa adịgo condemn. Di gị nwụrụ anwụ sọ gị nwa. Biko is well. Biko onye ọbụla na-ene video tag ya no His Excellency Dr. Peter Obi biko. onye ọbụla tag ya nụ Peter Obi, tag ya nụ Peter Obi, onye ọbụla na watch video ma onye na ebe a, mute your phone, go to the live video.
Peter Obi ka onye gbọgbọ
biko biko no. Peter Obi bụ ofu onye ga-enyere anyị aka n'ije a. Ọ bụrụ na Peter Obi nweta ozi ọ ga-enyere anyị aka, o nwere obi umeala. I've seen Peter Obi go to medical schools, donate hundreds of millions of naira. Ọ bụzie ndị nọ n'ọnọdụ a, biko tag ebe anụ Peter Obi, biko biko nne ya ọha, biko onye ịtaga afọ, biko biko nye enyi ya aka.
Wow.
Success, get me your phone.
Wow.
Biko no. Only 20. Then you call the Kagadi one, 25 years. Sorry. Biko onye ni aka o. Daddy yo ha kenye luga aka o. Biko o. Onye ebe ke busa. Amụzam ụgbọka nke m. Abụ onye ọhụrụ n'ụgbọka. Chai. Gịnwa bụ onye ọhụrụ zara. Onye ebe ke busa. Igbo etiti Nsụka. Ngwa ya ọnụ ha nyelu gị aka o.
Enugu gụrụ agụ here.
Biko o. Nne onye ebe ke bụ.
God, abeg. Chideke
Imo State. Imo State. Nyelu gị aka o.
Igbo ndị Igbo.
Kisi ha nyelu gị aka o.
Ndị Igbo gịnị.
Chai.
What is going on?
This one pass me, I swear to God.
What is going on?
Hey. Nna yo ha nyelu gị aka o. Biko yo ndị mmadụ. Onye ọhụrụ zara.
Ọhụrụ zara, Igbo State. Ndị Igbo gụrụ agụ here.
Biko o. Ịmanwụ. Biko no, achọrọ m iseta obere nwa ọfụma. Nne na ka anyị natụrụ gị oche ga-azụ o, ka nwa ike gafee. Chai. N'elu obere nwa, ọ nke a, this one, it beats my imagination. Ka ihe nwa dị, ọ gị mụrụ ya? Ahụ one ka nwa dị. We nwee kidney problem. Na kidney ya, double hole n'obi plus kidney ofu onye. Hi. You nwee kidney problem. Isi na akwụ ga-eme dialysis. I don't like that. O nwekwu kidney problem. Oge mba ama m onye nke ama m kesi nke. Hi. Biko ebe ọbụla ị nọ, Chukwu gọzie gị. Mepee app gị o 0411-994-053 Wema Bank. Biko onwe ihe mme gị gbaa alụ nyelu ndị aka. Jesus. Don't worry. Okay, sir. O nwere somebody n'ebe, good Samaritan, ọ sị na ke ndị na-ekwu okwu ebe a. Enwe ndị n'ebe a, ha ma na iru hospital ekwesịghị bus stop. Hospital bụ ebe na-eju oyi. And I will tell them they need to look at it. Hospital, iru hospital. Only buru mmadụ na-agbata onye na-eload moto jepịa ya. Ọ dọrọ mmadụ. Enwe onye n'ebe ọ sị ma akpakwana ya afa na ọ maka Chukwu ka o ji eme ya na ọ chọọ ka unu too ya. Na ọ ga-add 1 million na ego a ga-eke unu. So Chukwu gọzie ya. And ekpere m ụtụtụ ehihie na abalị bụ Chineke onye ọbụla nwere ezigbo obi ya gọzie ya. Ọ bụrụ na ụmụ Chineke nwee, ọ bụrụ na before God and man agbapụ m slippers na-ekwu ya. Ọ bụrụ na m nwere ego ndị a nwere ego n'ala Igbo nwe. Emechara m expenses m mee ihe fọ na akaụntụ m na ụtụ 11,000. Mmiri m bụ wee bịa ebe a kwụbeghị m ụgwọ ya. And ana m akwere ime free kidney function test maka ọ BP na sugar na cause ya. Achọrọ m itest onye ọbụla nọ n'ala Igbo. Unu mana m emedi ya many times. Ọ bụrụ na ihe a na-eme unu na-achọpụta n'oge ịṅụ ọgwụ ọ dị mma. Ihe mee kidney gị ji wee fail ọ bụla ị nwere ya ịmarọ 1 year, 2 years, 3 years ịdazie ọkụ ya ebutego n'ọgwụ ọ bụrụ na ọ fail go. Ọ bụrụ na m nwere ude ego a ndị a nwere ego n'ala Igbo nwe mkpọrọ unu niile kpọjụ n'ọgwụ. Ka ihe m na-adọba ego na bankị fọ. Ọkwa nke a bụ nwụọ ndị m amala rie ya. Ekpere mbe ebe o si pụta Chineke weghachikwa ya. Onye ma ye niile. Mommy, I got my yemi. Any day, I get jogger for line now first. Line now, the very bad. Because she on the video, or she on here, because. Account number 0411-994-053. Biko. Everybody know about Park Lane Hospital, which is a suit teaching hospital. And Ghana Park Lane, na GRA, by ShopRite, Enugu. You have kidney problem, sir. If you're neckline, you have kidney problem. Prostate cancer. Hey! You have a kidney problem. How old are you, sir? How old are you? 18, and you have a kidney. No one has sugar, no ben a chime boom. Gallo. You have a kidney problem. Sorry. You have a kidney problem. Can I again? You have a kidney problem.
This must be there must be food. There must be something causing this in
Nsoka. Onye beke busa. Ojiri. Ndo Ojiri Valley too much. Senator Sitangu must do something. Ndo di no Ojiri Valley too much. RG must do something. And I'm not about Enugu echi. I have a meji fi echi. He must. Obero on a month more they put transform on our rosa yes, but Ndo the more important. Oh me. Okay me. Oh, okay when I no chanya mo Ojiri Valley mudi okay. RG Senator Sitangu. Okay me here. Na inwe kidney problem. Onye be kebo. Anambra. Oji. Oyi inwe kidney problem ne. Onye be kebo. Nsoka. Ndị Nsoka na-eli di na Nigeria na kidney problem. O nwere onye ugboro na mkpogo ndị Nsoka ha biko na me nwere ego ka eme.
Reason because I found not very close to not. Like that video there for somebody selling one substance up on a tassia and a plastic plate or melt all the plastic plates. If I have an Nsoka come. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. All right, just to create awareness for people in the Ghana. And then if you like, jump and pass, but do your best and avoid anything that will trigger any issue. Like I said, I'm not a medical doctor. There's no advice that I will give you that you have not received from other people. There's no advice that I will give you. But what is? Let me just show you this. All this so shocking. Honestly, so shocking. The people different this thing. Me no can't abroad and jump and pass. This is for everybody. Watch out this video because most of red oil and they put outside the country, they very, very, very bad. Most of the red oil and the rest in America. I don't know how they check it, like people that live in America and other places, but most of them and they miss nonsense in Butania. Look at. Watch this video. Remember, the language they just spoke there is not Igbo language. The language that you just heard from them now is not Igbo language. They are not Igbo. But see what they are doing.
People are wicked. This is wickedness. What do you mean you're putting dye inside palm oil just so that it will look red? And then you're selling it to people, knowing that what people are actually drinking or putting in their food is not actual palm oil, but something mixed with dye. And you know the funny thing, we don't even know the type of dye they are using. There's certain dyes that are actually carcinogenic, which can actually lead to cancer in some people. So when you hear things like our life expectancy in Nigeria is 50-something years old, these are part of the reasons. Now, you will say, government, please, one of the things you should start regulating is the informal market. How can you quickly regulate the informal market when it's very obvious that the informal market is faster than the government? This particular person is probably not registered. There's no way you're probably going to find this person. Yet, their products are entering into the market in a way that is unregulated. People are suffering from the effects of this person because the people you're actually supposed to fend for, the local officers that are supposed to be hunting down this type of people, are probably underfunded. They don't have any funds to do what they're doing. So most times they've gone to find another work rather than actually ensuring our health as Nigerians. That now means that we, the Nigerians, are now forced to look for ways to protect ourselves when it shouldn't even be happening. For example, how do you know the difference between oil that has dye and oil that does not have dye? It's simple. See, at least this one, I learned it today. It's today that I learned it. I say, let me teach you. If you pour palm oil, first of all, you look at the color. Palm oil generally has orange, reddish color, not just purely red. And then you now carry water and put on top of it.
Just watch.
You carry water and put on top of it. What you notice is that if there is dye inside the oil, that dye will start leaking into the water, making the water stain. It will stain the water. But as you can see, because this oil is not mixed with dye, the water and the oil level separate. We should not be doing mathematics to cook food. Jesus Christ. If it's not local food vendor that is trying to kill you, it's the person who is cooking the food that is trying to kill you. As a matter of fact, you won't survive to reach 90 years. Thank God. You should do testimony. Informal food sector, please government do something. And everybody is buying oil from supermarkets.
All right. Speed the time they say saves 9. So let us learn from this and avoid risking our life to something that we end up consuming our life. God forbid. I'm going to end it here. God bless you for your time, and make sure you like the video. If you happen to watch it later, put it in the comments and let me know what you think about everything I've just shown you. This, if you go to Okulaura's platform on Facebook, I swear, if you're not strong, you may end up shedding tears. What is happening to people that nobody knows until now, and nobody's doing anything to see. Raising money to treat yourself is good, or treat people is good, but how can you now trace the root cause of the problem? The best way to do it now is you monitoring what you eat. Or for those of you that you must drink alcohol, focus on palm wine. If you are living in a land, focus on palm wine. You can actually go know the person that is tapping the palm tree, go and buy palm wine than this hot drink, akbracha, or wrong. Next thing again that you need to be careful about is this idea of making sure that every fruit from the north, carrot, cucumber, see, most of them are being worked with chemical. Some of them against your organs. Then, if you are living in our land, learn how to start cultivating things on your own. Some of these vegetables you can do it. Have your own garden. I'm not saying you should start farming what you will sell. You can't have your own garden. Careful. Ego, this dialysis and transplant and all that. Play. Some people may be lucky to see that will raise money for them to go through transplant and dialysis. Not everybody. Some now 1 year you just die off for no reason. Says, what happened to the other channel? The other channel is okay. Did you? What do you mean? What happened to the other channel? Obi-Wan. We my channel. Maybe I can check where. What happened to my channel? Why are you asking what happened to the channel? You mean why am I not streaming there? Is that what you mean? Obi-Wan, can what anything I do one matter? What in by the other channel? Obi-Wan, let me know your question, please. The channel is here now. You can see. So my channel is in that. I'm not streaming there. Okay, I'm not streaming this one there. And this is just 2 hours. I upload video there 2 hours ago. And let me see the performance of the video based on your question. We need to, not everything I will stream there, right? So sometimes we, not everything. So I upload a video there 2 hours ago for 44 minutes. 2 hours for 4 minutes. There's a video I dropped there. And that video is now about 800 something views, 123 likes, and 40 something comments. I've not even checked it. I'm just because of your comment, I have to go there. After this, we are going to stream on our main platform. You know, if you maybe in 1 hour, let's say maybe 1 or 2 hours time, I will be live there in our second platform. 1 or 2 hours time, hopefully I'll be live there before the fundraising. Okay, so I just want to bring this here. He said, yeah, I'm looking for it. You're looking for my channel. Obi-Wan or getting a begging. So you're looking for my channel. Okay, you don't know how to look for my channel. You're looking for my channel. Okay, text me on WhatsApp now. Kamama, if you know me, if you know, text me on WhatsApp. I am here waiting for you on WhatsApp, as you can see. Obi-Wan, text me on WhatsApp now. He said it is not live. Obi-Wan, open the bombas now. I'm saying I don't stream live there. Nothing is live there. Nothing is live on my platform, my main platform. I am live only here. I am live only here in this through desk. Okay, I am streaming this one live exclusively here on this platform, not on the other platform, not on Kai Report. I will be live on Kai Report in less than 2 hours time. I will be live there. Okay, I want to have an open mic. I want to have an open mic on that place. From the beginning of the video, people will start calling. I will ask you to call in. Let's talk about something. Do you understand? So I will be there before the fundraising. So keep your eyes there. If you if you want to talk, join me. That's what I want to do before the fundraising. So I only upload the video there 2 hours for 44 minutes. Uploading, not live. That video is about 22 minutes or 23 minutes video. So the channel, nothing happened to the channel, but if you are looking for this live stream to be there, I only share this live stream on my community there. And because of the topic, because as I'm talking about creating this awareness, some now all have our problem. We hardly put ourselves in other people's shoes. All have our problem. Many people are like that. I used to think like that. Like somebody if I'm going now, no basa or one na them, that kind of thing. No. These guys did not sign this kind of sickness. Nobody signed for it. I mean, he's just here trying to encourage us. No matter how busy you are, find out and do some exercise. Okay, I understand now. Yeah. Find time and do some exercise and drink a lot of water, clean one, or drop easy. More than yourself, I'm still learning how to live that kind of life in our water. But it goes a long way to help because of the situation we are. Or this life I know, this earth is highly polluted. This genetic modified genetically modified fruit and all that. Some of you in the country where you are residing, if you go even a shopping mall, one shop won't get organic, even okra self. I got an organic, non-organic. This thing will always change all the after effect. And to buy organic is not be here. How can you live on that organic? It's difficult. If you go. So my garden na buy now is oil. It's supposed in most of this oil, to be honest with you, because you have everything to avoid it. Kosi wa paracha, nka direct to the organ. Aparacha, a mark case we mix here. This chemicals are mix. You don't know how they mix. And now and mostly they have against our people. Almost now all they have skyrocketed to the next level that you don't even know what they're gonna give you in the name of alcohol. It's better you buy in quarter. Or go down 1 gallon 10,000 is better. It's better. From time to time, we buy 1 gallon and drink. than ị ga na-awụ chemical ị na-amarọ. Especially akpụrụ acha ọ na-abakpa matches na owu ọkụ ka kerosene. Avoid it. Each oil from you go to beans. Boil it two times. You put the beans, it's a normally. You see an okobo, a bapian mede. We quick again, but why women obokwa, a bapian made a fish to wash off chemicals. Yes, Macaro girl. This thing I will child play. If number of people gather, just name the good state you. Because of a good order, I want to go around and I watch us individually. People cannot walk like that. In the hospital, was the number of people that was teaching us. Manaketa had also under 12 hours notice. Because not 24 hours notice. If Odika, about all of one village, will know, feed you everywhere with oil. Deadly oil, na drawn, I did that be. Chineke kwekwe n'ife ọjọọ ọmamba ọnọdụ mụ na gị mana ka anyị dị careful. Ọ bụrụ na no itinye ijitu ego, I will advise you ị gaa na platform Okwuluora chọọ akaụntụ ya na support ka ndị na-ewere ka ọrafa. Some of them be widows. Ị na-anụ cases of a child na nwa ya awụgo ya na onwe ya nakwa ya kwa December ya gburu nwa ya n'ala Igbo ka ọ na-eme na time nke abụkwa oge dorime and ka egwu a na-agụwa ndị ike egwu flavor egwu a na-emotivate ndị Igbo ka ndị Igbo nke ọzọ, but we are those things, we are just not making noise. Because how can people that you know that they're your enemy are bringing food for you and you are dying of that food and you kept quiet? Madone Gada, can you bring number of this kind of people suffering this kind of sickness in the north? Why must he be in an Igbo? Because they're not going to say this kind of thing to their own people. Those of our brothers and sisters that are living in the north, they may not have this kind of sickness. Why? Because the people that are bringing it cannot sell it there because it's going to affect their people as well. Governors are just nothing. Hold on in the check. Manandi Igbo na product to ahịa Igbo ọkụ maka NAFDAC. But the same NAFDAC is not checking the dress if I'm in an Igbo. What do they even know? Anyway, and those of you that are importing something from China, importing put fake ampiclos, fake in car, fake in cause, you also a murderer. You are part of the problem. Kedu degi na chuge megi gaburu fake ngwa hebe na ereso mwane gị na Igbo. Kedu degi afe na chu no. Amogi mu ego. There are so many ways to make money. Obros na nke iji ndụ mwane gị na achụ aja na. Said this is what the health department of the government should be involved in taking care of. In a quick obodo women. If got to say so in English or third tenant. Good morning, guy. Shout out for you go clear and say muje can you go muje. Very, very funny and very, very sad. Anyway, my boy, thank you so much for your time. God bless you. I'm managing because I see you. See you again. Like I said, we are going to have an open mic on our main platform in less than 2 hours, hopefully. Just keep your eyes there and see you later in day one. Bye-bye for now. JJ, I see you. You're welcome. Although no temperature late. All the cable on our watch, all the game and calf. Anyway, see you later. Infected, we really need our nation Biafra. Kita Kibiano. Oh, everyone. Kita Kibu, okay. Upon my health department and all the same, they go just medicine after that. What do they know? They're not helping anything. Good Amazikai, the government is the cause of it all. Fulani must have put something chemical on their farm. No, they are the product that bring it down to you. Because some people are not lazy to farm. Oh, but it's the real estate, real estate. Everybody. Problem case here, well, that's not how things work. Otan maketa na no na Igbo. Na dey go to go na he go te and mezu. I go to Gary Malakasa for what? Or yam for what? When in my secondary school, my primary school, we don't buy those things. Even rice, we do cultivate it on our own. Rice, yes, now my parents do cultivate it on our own. In our water. So the only thing that we buy from the northerners or from the north, for some time tomato. We also cultivate tomato. My mother do cultivate tomato. In our water, ugu, green, cucumber, yeah, that kind of thing. You can buy it in market. I cannot tell you what we do, and beans, of course. But for rice, yam, cassava, vegetable like ugu, all those vegetables that are okra, and oka, or pick up we are using pick up. You got supplier now. I'm just telling you, I'm just being real to you. Our land is highly fertile that you can cultivate anything that you yourself can consume. So I'm not saying you should start trading on that. You can sometimes you can cultivate your own backyard. Ugu, grain, this is watermelon leaf, or maybe even like something like ubaka, okwa. In fact, very, very easy to get your own. You know, you are living, you want to actually go boy, I don't get the so special. You know, what we feel expect. You like alcohol. Most who drink akbarasha. Palm wine is far better and more healthy than if in a bottle. You go there now. Everybody in Igbo can have access to palm wine. Open you wait in Igbo state, you wait in Anambra, you wait in Anambra. You can go there, or you can go there. Every Igbo land is the same. All an Igbo got second father for man on culture. It's a lie. Hey man, come on, each other. You don't want to each other can daughter now. By so doing now, what if my selling na River State? A chemical emission. I pay your matches to work, Margaret, my mommy. I greet you. There, I greet you. He said, good day from here, Massacre. Good day to you. There, we are waiting. Okay, yeah, I will be back. Of course, I will be back. All right. God bless you. Take care of yourself and see you later. There, one.